this guy's got a roach infestation, but on purpose? In China, cockroach farming is a norm, with the biggest farm producing over 6 billion roaches per year. You see, China has found that these little critters are a medical goldmine. The secret is their unique proteins and compounds, which scientists use to create treatments for ulcers, wounds, and even cosmetics. So let your wife know that roaches could be making up her skincare routine, and remind her when she's taking forever to get ready. Love them or hate them, cockroaches might just save lives or be in a product you use daily. So, did that change your mind about roaches?